Hey you guys, this is an update where we're going to plant our houseplant cuttings. As you guys can see, there are roots in here everywhere. I'll take one out and show you a little bit closer. See? Do you see that? That's a root, okay? Every single one of these in here have gotten roots on them. Let me show you. Look at here. You can see the roots, okay? And what we're going to do is we're fixing to plant our new house plant in a pot. So what I'm going to do is I have some seed starting mix here, mixtured with a little bit of bark, and I think it's something else in it. Alright, I'm going to use some of my worm casting. I am going to put some in here. Make this really good. You don't have to, but I am. And kind of mix it in. Anything hard, take it out. And I'm going to add a handful of blood meal. Well, not that much, but you know what I mean. Kind of mix that in. Now, I'm going to add my water. And I want to mix this really well. Kind of get it saturated. Because when I add it in this pot, I really want to be very careful. Because those roots are very delicate. And you really don't want to damage your roots. And that way, you really don't have to add any more nutrients to this soil once you do this. All you got to do is just keep it watered. These houseplants love water. And don't worry guys, right here I will link at the top the video where I was taking the cuttings. I feel much better today. So I decided, well, why not just go ahead and do this and show you guys what we're going to do. Alright, let me move my worm castings and blood meal. I'm going to take my pot. I need to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm going to take some of my soil, put in this pot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see how many of these I have. Alright, 1, 2, well, I'm going to make a hole, put that in, cover it up. I'm going to put that one in the middle. And I'm just going to kind of make a hole, put it in there. Make sure that root is covered. just kind of go around and make sure you be very, very careful. You don't want to damage the little root, because you can easily damage it. This one is going to be full, okay? So I want my pot to be a little bit fuller. Let's see. Get that down in there. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to come back and I'm going to fill in where I want to add more soil. See, look at that root, guys. I mean, that's beautiful, okay? I mean, these bad boys were just, you know, having a ball in that water. They said, we're making more. Let's see, how many more we got? 30. Look at there. Can you guys see that? I mean, we have literally got plants. Guys, if you wanted to, you could make more houseplants than just this. These things, see, will actually make more than what I am making. You can actually make several pots, but I just kind of, all right, see, there's a root. I'm gonna kind of put that one there. That one there is going up, so now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna fill in around and I won't be adding any more dirt. This will be as much dirt as they get, okay? And we will have all kind of beautiful plant here. Now, I'm going to stick this back in here and I'm going to water it again, so I don't make a mess. And see how much it might need to add a little more soil. And the water that I had it in, I'm going to finish pouring that in. Make sure you get it all wet. And there you go, guys. Our new houseplant. Just kind of clean off your, hold on, guys, and let me go wash my hands. Wow, I got it. Let you look at the plant. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to kind of clean up my leaves a little bit, get some of that dirt off. A little water won't hurt them. But just kind of make them all pretty. See, we're getting a little extra water off. But as you guys can see, we officially have a new nether houseplant. And this one be set on the table. This one here does have holes in the bottom. So I will be putting a platter under the bottom to kind of keep, you know, protect the furniture. But that's as easy, simple. How to make more houseplants for free. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.